Welcome to my channel PIR Electro. Today I will tell you about PIR sensor. The PIR sensor stands for Passive Infrared Sensor. It is a low-cost sensor which can detect the presence of human beings or animals. This sensor has 3 pins. First pin is for VCC, which we can give 5 volt to 12 volt, second pin is for output, which give output of 3.3 volt, and third pin is for ground. This sensor can be used with any platforms like Arduino, Raspberry, PIC, etc. Once the module is powered, allow the module to calibrate itself for few minutes. 2 minutes is a well settled time. Then observe the output on the output pin. It have 2 orange color potentiometers that can be used to set the sensitivity and time delay. First one is for sensitivity control and second is for time delay control. Let's test with LED. Simply connect LED's positive pin on output pin of sensor and negative pin on ground. Now give input voltage 5 volts. Set the time delay and sensitivity. Wait some time, module calibrate itself. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for more videos.